making her chop.
Oh, did they slide in? You can hear it. I don't know if you can see it. What's today? December.
She's peeing.
We don't need to hear that. It's December 5th. The first snow. Oh, we just got hit in the head with the ice. It's the first snow/ice of the winter. I don't know if you can hear that. But it's freezing rain right now. Oh, she keeps sliding in here. This is all pretty much snow and ice. I think it's pretty much ice, right? Wow, it's a little dark, so you can't really see.
Go outside.
I'm messing with them.
Come on.
It's a little ice.
Look us.
You too? You a little cold? Look at your fur. You have some ice on you.